Number first, geometrical construction. In that our next point, congruence of segment. Take a rectangular paper, place two opposite sides, one upon the other. They are coincide exactly. Now see, here a rectangular paper is taken. If you coincide these two sides, place two opposite sides. These two are opposite sides, one upon the other. They coincide exactly. Means if you place opposite sides, they coincides exactly. Now here, this is my segment AB and this is my segment PQ. Now I am measuring the length of segment AB and segment PQ with the help of scale. Now see, this is 4 centimeter. Length of segment AB is 4 centimeter and length of PQ is also 4 centimeter. Means how I am writing, this is a symbol of length. Length of AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Length of PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Are they of the same length? Yes. Length of the both segment is same, 4 centimeter. It means that segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. The length of both the segment is equal, means the length of segment AB is congruent with length of segment PQ. Now see, segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. Now segment AB congruence segment PQ. I am writing this in a symbolic way. This is a symbol of congruence. Segment AB is congruence with segment PQ. This is a symbol of congruent. Keep in mind. We verify that. We infer from this, that is, if two line segments have a same length, they coincide exactly with each other, that is, they are congruents. If segment AB and segment PQ are congruents, it is written as segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. We can write this in this way. If segment AB is congruent with segment PQ, it means that segment PQ is congruent with segment AB. Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ, means segment PQ is congruent with segment AB. We can write on that way also. Segment PQ is congruent with segment AB. Now here I am drawing one segment of 4 centimeter. Now this is my segment MN. Now I am measuring the length of segment. Now the length of this segment is also 4 centimeter. How I am writing this? Segment AB is congruent with segment PQ. Segment PQ is congruent with segment MN, because the length of segment is also 4 centimeter. Length of AB is also 4, PQ is also 4, MN is also 4. All these three segments are 4 centimeter. Length of all this segment is same, means all the segments are congruent with each other. Now how I am writing, segment AB is congruent with segment PQ, and segment PQ is congruent with segment MN, is congruent with segment MN. Then segment AB is congruent with segment MN. This congruence with this congruence with this means that it is congruence with this segment. In other words, if one line segment is congruent to another and that segment is congruent to the third one, means first segment is congruent with second segment is congruent with third segment, then the first and the third segment is also congruent. First and the third segment is also congruent. Here I am writing this is first segment is congruent with second is congruent with third, means first is congruent with third. Here one activity is given. Take any box, measure the length of its edges with the which of them are congruent. You can take any box and measure the length of its edges and find out the which edges are congruent. Now second activity, from a shape shown below, write the name of the pairs of a congruent line segment. Now observe this diagram and write down the congruent pair of a segment. Now segment AB is congruent with segment DC. AB is congruent with DC. AB is congruent with DC. Second, AE means this AE is congruent with BH. AE is congruent with BH. Now third, segment EF. Segment EF is congruent with segment EF is congruent with segment HG. What I am writing here? EF is congruent with HG. HG. And fourth, segment DF. Where is segment DF? Here, see. Segment DF is congruent with segment CG. CG. DF congruent with CG. Means segment DF is congruent with segment CG. CG.